Hello, good to have you back. My name is Ida Francis, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you what you could actually use to help regrow your edges. Okay, those hairs that you have actually lost due to certain hair care practices that you have been doing, and unknowingly you've actually lost a lot of your hair. I actually have to do this video because I have to tell you I am actually saddened because of the number of requests I've gotten on my Instagram, and everybody seems to be talking about losing hair on the front. Actually, I think about months ago when I noticed that this is actually the causes of losing your edges, I actually made a video, and I'm going to be leaving the link up here. Please, you need to look at that video if you're having problem, especially when it comes to your edges. That video will actually help you a lot. I'm also going to be leaving it in the description box down below. Please, I'm begging you, if you're having problem growing your edges, you need to see that particular video. So if you really want to grow your edges, or you're having problem with your hair, then you're actually in the right channel. All you need to do is just to subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will always be notified anytime a helpful content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, please endeavor to drop them in the comment section down below. You can also send me a DM on Instagram if you have a private question to ask me concerning your natural hair care. Okay, so if you really want to know how you could actually use this few ingredients to help regrow your edges, just keep watching. Okay, so to make this super hair growth mask that will help regrow your edges within a short period of time, after using it consistently, we'll be needing an aloe vera. The fresh aloe vera plants. Please, if you're going to make this, make sure you get the fresh aloe vera plants. If you'll be watching this video in Abuja, where I'm filming from, please let me know in the comment section down below so I could tell you where you can get your fresh aloe vera plant. The next thing we'll be using is a pure honey. This one you can easily get that in stores closer to you. And the last, and definitely not the least, is the coconut oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut a little piece of this fresh aloe vera. After cutting a little piece of this aloe vera, but before I go into it, I need to tell you what the benefit of aloe vera and how it will benefit your hair. Aloe vera is great when it comes to hair boosting hair growth. You can use it on its own, or you could actually apply it with other ingredients like I'm showing you in this video. This is because aloe vera contains a lot of vitamins, such as the vitamin A, the vitamin B, C, and vitamin C, and it also has a folic acid and amino acid. All this helps with hair growth by strengthening and repair damaged hair strands, and by sending blood circulation to the scalp. gently beat it to ensure that all this part is actually gone. Okay, just gently beat it until you can no longer find the lumps in it. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna go in is with the honey. When it comes to honey is actually a natural humectant. That actually means that it seals in moisture to your hair, and it will also make your hair thick, and will help stimulate hair growth at the same time. So for this, I'm going to be adding just 1 teaspoon of the honey. Okay, this is usually hard to mix, but since you're going to be applying it on your edges where you are not seeing those growths. And for the coconut oil, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon as well. If you don't have the coconut oil, please feel free to use any oil of your choice. This is just for the moisturizing effect of it. So it's actually going to help moisturize your hair while you have this marks in your hair. Okay, so after doing that, ensure that you mix all this together very well. I'm trying to get the lumps well. Okay, so after mixing everything together, this is what we have here. It is still very lumpy, what I have here, but just make sure you beat it very well and apply it to your hair. And in the process of applying it to your hair, in case you extract it very lumpy like mine, you could actually use your hand to break it. Okay, so after making this super hair growth mask that is actually going to help you regrow your edges, apply it on your scalp. I'll advise you do this at night and then wash your hair off in the morning. If you are not the type that washes hair at home, you could actually apply this on a day before your wash day. Okay, so apply it a day before your wash day, then you go wash your hair off. You could actually use this if you're washing your hair once a week. You could actually use this once a week, but for quicker results, I will actually recommend you use it 4 to 3 times in a week so that your edges can actually regrow faster. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. I hope that was very helpful to you and you're going to try this out. For issues that I did not cover while recording this video, please kindly drop them in the comment section down below and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. But I would love to add this. After applying this thing, I think I already said that you need to wash it off with a shampoo, use it consistently until you start noticing result. Please do not forget to check this particular video out. It will actually help you because I know that a lot of you are actually having bad hair care practices, and that is why you are losing a whole lot of your hair. I'm going to also leave the link in the description box down below so that will actually help you out. Okay, do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share this video with your friends as well, and send me your private questions on my Instagram and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. Okay, until another time when I will come your way, my name is Ida Francis. Bye.